Having trouble with SMS Backup and Restore? Not completing backups or restores? In this video, we'll explore the common causes and show 9 practical fixes to get your messages backed up safely. Part 1. Why is SMS Backup and Restore not working? Outdated app. Permissions denied. Not default SMS app. Cloud off failed. Low storage. Corrupted backups. Large database. Unstable internet. Battery restrictions. App conflicts. System updates. Backup inaccessible. Wrong date time. Corrupted install. Part 2. How to fix SMS Backup and Restore not working 9 ways. Fix 1. Update SMS Backup and Restore to the latest version. Fix 2. Grant all required permissions. Fix 3. Check internet connection for cloud backups. Fix 4. Clear app cache and data. Fix 5. Reconnect or reauthorize cloud storage. Fix 6. Ensure your phone has enough storage. Fix 7. Break up large backups into smaller parts. Fix 8. Make it the default SMS app for restores. Fix 9. Disable battery optimization for the app. Part 3. Choose a more reliable tool when SMS Backup and Restore fails to work. SMS Backup and Restore can fail due to cloud errors, large backups, or permission and storage issues. Mobican Backup Manager offers a stable PC-based alternative, avoiding these problems for reliable SMS Backup and Restore. How to use the best SMS Backup and Restore alternative to back up and restore Android phone. Install and open the program on your computer. Connect your Android via USB. Ensure the device is recognized. Select Backup. Choose data types and backup location. Click Backup to save to your PC or Mac. If you need to restore your phone using a previously created backup, simply open the program's main interface, select Restore, and pick the data categories you want from the backup list. Then click Restore once more to transfer the selected items from your computer back to your Android device.